Hello friends, welcome to Dr. Shah's Maths Clinic. Today we are starting chapter number 15, Statistics. In 10th standard, we have already studied about mean, mode, median. Here we are going to study mean deviation from mean and mean deviation from the median. So first of all, what is mean? So mean is given by x bar, that is equals to sigma I running from 1 to n xi upon n, where xi's are given observations and that is total number of observation. Now what is mean deviation? So generally the mean deviation is denoted by delta x bar. The mean deviation is denoted by delta x bar, and the formula is given by delta x bar equals to sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus x bar by n. Again, mean deviation from mean is given by delta x bar equals to sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus x bar by n, where xi's are given observation and total number of observation, and x bar, that is the mean of the given observation, which we have already seen in the above formula. Here we have considered modulus. Why it's a modulus? So modulus means we have to take positive difference only. Sigma means addition. Sigma means addition. Modulus means here we are going to take positive differences only. Although if the difference comes to be negative, we have to consider them as positive since it is modulus here. Okay, so let's start with the sum number 1. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. The mean of the given data is given by x bar equals to sigma xi by n, where what is x bar? X bar means addition of all the observation. How many observations are there? Here we have total 8 observations. So first of all we are going to find out their addition divided by total number of observation. So that is 80 by 8, that is equals to 10. Now I am going to arrange all the observations in a column form. So that is x's, that is 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. Here we need to find modulus of xi minus x bar, because in our formula we need this. So modulus of xi minus x bar. Xi is 4, x bar is 10, that is 4 minus 10 equals to 6, 7 minus 10 equals to 3, 8 minus 10, although it's a minus 2, but once again it's a modulus, so we are going to take positive value only, that is 2. Modulus of 9 minus 10, once again it is modulus, so we are going to take not minus 1, but it's a plus 1. 10 minus 10 is going to be 0, 12 minus 10, that's going to be 2, 13 minus 10 is going to be 3, 17 minus 10 is going to be 7. So the total would be 24. Now the formula for the mean deviation is given by delta x bar. So delta x bar equals to mean deviation about mean, and that is equals to sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus x bar by n equals to, n means total number of observation, they are 8. Modulus of xi minus x bar, we already find it out, that is 24. 8 3s are 24. Therefore mean deviation about the mean is going to be 3. Let's start with the next sum. Number 2, make a note for this. And then number 2, find the mean deviation about the mean for the data 38, 70, 48, 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 54 and 44. So first of all the mean is given by x bar equals to sigma xi by n. Here total 10 observations are there. Uska addition divide by 10, 500 by 10, that is equals to 50. The next I am going to arrange all the observation in a column form. Then modulus of xi minus x bar. So mean is 50, 38 minus 50, that's going to be negative minus 12. But once again, it is in a modulus form, so we are going to take it as 12. 70 minus 50 plus 20, 48 minus 50 minus 2, but once again it's a modulus, so that is 2. 40 minus 50, 10, 42 minus 50, 8, 55 minus 50, 5, 63 minus 50, 13, 46 minus 50, minus 4, but it's modulus, so plus 4. 54 minus 50, so 4, and 44 minus 50, minus 6, due to modulus, it would be 6. The addition would be 84. Now, the mean deviation about the mean is given by delta x bar equals to sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus x bar by n, total number of observations n, that is 10, sigma I running from 1 to n modulus of xi minus x bar, that is my addition here. This is 84, so this is 84. 84 by 10, that is equals to 8.4. Is it okay? Okay, make a note for this.